Re-electionist Senator Bato de la Rosa denounces President Bongbong Marcos's remarks seemingly against senatorial aspirants aligned with former President Rodrigo Duterte. In an ambush interview on Thursday, February 13, de la Rosa, who was chief implementer of Duterte's drug war, says Marcos's remark alluding to senatorial candidates endorsed by Duterte was uncalled for.
Uncalled for, unexpected, coming from a president. So hindi namin nasahan na gano'n. Pero sige lang, tanggap lang namin yan na this is political season. We expect political bashing and political everything.
In his speech at the PDP Laban's proclamation rally, De La Rosa says he wasn't ashamed that his hands were tainted with blood of those he considered bad people.
Kung yung aking mga kamay ay may bahid ng dugo, hindi ko po yan ikinakakahiya. Kung yung aking mga kamay ngayon ay may bahid ng dugo ng mga masasamang tao, kung kinakailangan na madumihan ng dugo ng masamang tao ang aking kamay para maprotektahan ang buhay ng mga matitino, mababait at mga law-abiding citizens, gagawin ko po yun. Itaga nyo sa bato. Gagawin ko yan.
As former head of the Philippine National Police, De La Rosa was the chief implementer of Duterte's drug war. Marcos on February 11 said the Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas senatorial slate was not tainted by the drug war dubbed Oplan-Tokhang and corruption during the COVID-19 pandemic. The president also said none of the senatorial candidates he is supporting are pro-Pogos and pro-China in West Philippine Sea issues. He also made an apparent swipe at the alleged sex abuse of detained Kingdom of Jesus Christ founder Apollo Kibuloy. Marcos then called on Filipinos to vote straight for Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas senatorial candidates if they do not want a return to the country's bloody past.